Let me show you how to create this text effect in Photoshop. Go to File, select Place Embedded. Select Image. Click on Place. Start by writing new text. Follow these settings. Go to Layer Style and choose Inner Shadow. Follow these settings. Add another inner shadow. Follow these settings. Now let's add a stroke. Follow these settings. Choose 50% gray color. When you finish, press OK. Create a group. Drag the text layer inside that group. Go to Layer Style and choose Color Overlay. Choose this purple color or any color you want. Change blending mode to screen. Now add bevel and emboss. Follow these settings. Add contour. Follow these settings. Add a drop shadow. Follow these settings. Add a drop shadow. Follow these settings. Change the blending mode to linear dodge at. When you finish, press OK. Like and share this video. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more videos.